video will study what is chemistry and why it is so important to study chemistry. We need to know its importance because chemistry is a part of our daily lifestyle, and the more you know about a subject, the more interested you become. So let's start with its basic definition written in every book, that is, study of matter and its properties. But we need to know what is matter. Everything you see around yourself is matter, like chair, table, water, and so on. Matter is anything that has mass and volume. It can be a pure substance or a mixture. But what matter in turn is composed of? It is composed of atoms and molecules. So chemistry is basically how different atoms and molecules interact via chemical bonds to form new substances. So in this example, we see how two different atoms combine to form a molecule. So everything around us is made up of a combination of atoms and molecules. So now we should know, why is chemistry so important? My dear friends, you wake up in the morning and start your day with toothpaste, which is a chemical compound. Now, how toothpaste works? Most of the food we consume is composed of different type of acid, like malic acid present in apple, tannic acid present in tea, and so on. This acid attacked our tooth enamel and in turn it start decaying. But our toothpaste, it acts as a base which neutralizes the acids in our mouth and thus prevent tooth decay. Otherwise, plaque formation will take place. So you see how chemistry in our lives is so important. Before going to bed, you burn coal at home. It releases chemical to keep mosquito far from us. I have given these two examples to show you that your day starts as well as ends with chemistry. So now let's see some more examples of chemistry in our daily life. Why onion make you cry? You see, when you cut an onion, tears do come. But why does it happen? Cutting an onion bursts its cells, producing a chemical process which releases the contents of those cells into the atmosphere around you, which causes the tear to come when you cut the onion. Next is how soaps and detergents work. They act as emulsifiers to surround dirt and help in washing. As you see, soaps and detergents have this sulfate group as a polar group at one end and this non-polar group at another end. Now this sulfate, being polar group, bind with the polar water H2O molecule, and this non-polar group bind with the non-polar oil droplet, and in turn a micelle formation take place. This micelle formation result in easy removing of dirt and oil particles from the clothes. Next is role of chemistry in medicines. Chemistry play an important role in medicines as all the drugs are chemical compounds and their chemical action in body save millions of lives every day. Next is digestion in body. Digestion is a chemical reaction between the food we take and acids and enzymes present in body. And we all know digestion is important for breaking food into nutrients which body uses for energy, growth and cell repair. And if there is no digestion in the body would not be having any energy to do any sort of work further. This process can be represented here. First you chew your food, it goes all the way down your esophagus. Then in your stomach this food is broken down for protein. This broken down food then moves to the small intestine in which the food is made into the liquid of undigested food of material and water. Then it goes to the large intestine where the water is absorbed to the bloodstream and it moves all over your body. Then the food waste